You're brave. Wow, thirsty daw siya, Dad. May nakita lang na bagong ganap.
Thirsty. Bago to eh. No?
Gilig-gilig yan. Gilig-gilig.
Crazy mania.
Just for the Scavenger.
That's right there. Yeah. And then there's this.
Mario, Sonic.
And there's this.
Kuya, kung bakit ako, Dad. Kung bakit ako.
Yan, nandito kami sa Lawson Heights Mall, ano? Para sa scavenger hunt ni Isabel. Yan. So nandito kami sa may Crazy Mania. Dito kami ihingi ng ano, yung para sa mga sticker ata. Isabel. 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 Are you excited?
Did he do it? Yeah, he did. Yes. Oh, right ahead.
Come back when you found all the symbols. You put her name and number on the bottom, enter in for a draw, and then she can pick out of here too.
Thank
Okay.
you. Come on, Isabel.
Look for this.
We're gonna look for stickers.
For
Come
the
on.
stickers.
Let's read.
Yan.
It
So,
says here, are you brave enough?
ayan. Yan ang hahanapin ni Isabel.
Sabi niya, find the stickers. Come on, let's go. Oh.
Nasa mga store yan eh. Maraming bata yung iba na costume ano. So, nakala-costume yung si Bella. Let's see baby. Mga sticker. Dali. Nakailang store na si Isabel. Ano yan? Oh, pumpkin talaga yung nauna. Sabi niya, look for the pumpkin.
Okay, now you put the sign here. X this one, dali. Just the pumpkin.
Just the pumpkin. Yan na.
Sige. Color it, color. Yan. Good job, Isabel. Okay, come on. Let's look for more.
Sabi niya, pumpkin da. Pumpkin da talaga yung nauna.
Let's
Potion.
find potion. Whatever you see next night. Let's find the potion.
Potion.
Nasa your potion.
Potion nga.
Oh, where is it? Okay.
Hanap.
Okay.
We need a potion.
Okay, gusto niya talaga potion.
Gusto niya?
Not a pot.
Potion. We need a potion first.
Ah, nakadalawa na. Ay, may castle baby. Ulo ko. Where's the other one? May castle ay. Magpa-picture. Bella ay. What's that? Oh, spider web.
Yan, tapos,
Naka-3 na.
oh, we found 3. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's find more potion.
She wants the potion.
Fun house. Spooky. Oh no.
The quotes are going to be available on Monday, and that's when you have to start paying for it.
Oh, okay. I love free, and then we'll come back to pay Monday. Okay. Should we go inside?
Let's go.
Let's go inside.
This way, this way. No.
No,
It's only light.
it's not scary, she said.
Natakot si Isabel.
Well, we went to like the spirit house
Yeah.
with all
In
the...
Confederation, by
Yeah,
Confederation.
so-
Those animatronics.
Okay, we'll be back. Until what time are you open?
Right now, we are open until 6:30.
Okay. Okay, we'll be back. We'll be
I think we'll be back. Just gonna prepare her.
Okay,
Let's
not
go.
right now. Sorry.
Takot na si Isabel. Picture ka na lang dyan, oh.
Oh, just for grown-ups? Okay.
No, for Isabel
It's
too.
for kids too. Okay, no. Let's not force it. But we'll be back.
Takot si Isabel.
Mark niya na si ano, Isabel, di ba yun si Isabel? Minark niya na yung ano,
Spider?
spider. Let's try here, Isabel. There's windows here.
Nakuha niya yung spider nandun, oh.
Tapos, she knows how to do it too.
Let's go. Oh, ikaw na mag-mark.
She's marking it now.
Marunong na. Last year, late pa niya, no? Tapos last year, naka-costume siya. Sila Ate Brielle. Ay, bongga. Annabelle, wala nang mahanap? Wala nang mahanap sa sticker si Isabel. Balik tayo dun sa fun house mamaya. Ano? Wow! A witch hat. Marunong na.
Where's final candy?
Marunong na. Marunong na ang Belay, ano? Marunong na. Ay, Bibi! There's a cat right there. Oh? Oh, for adoption. Bibi, look. Oh, what happened? Oh.
Muffin has been absolutely loving the
Oh,
attention.
look at Muffin.
Muffin, where are you going?
It's a cat, Isabel.
It's a cat.
You're going to. Get ready. Scoop the arms. Ready?
Oh, let's hanap the sticker. Let's go.
Okay. Hi, kitty. Oh, you're soft. Hi. Daddy, may accent. A ghost.
A ghost.
Oh, nasa ng ghost.
Nasa ng-
Tingnan mo, Daddy.
Oh, no, kiss. Madumi yan.
Legos.
A lovely ghost. A lovely ghost.
Your name is
Pinangalanan mo pa ng Jik-Jik.
Daddy. Okay, she's leading us, Daddy. Siya na ang leader. Okay.
Sige na, hanap pa. Ngayon na yung crazy mania ulit. Ayun o. What's that? A candle.
But we need to find a candy.
Okay, a candy. Mark it very, anak. Mark it mo.
Yan, a candle.
Okay, kamalas na.
What's final candy?
Ilan pa? Marami pa?
Final candy, Mom.
In fairness, Daddy, ang maganda dito, at least, kumbaga, nadagan mo ito. Okay, let's find a candy. No, look at this. Ito dito, mga Ay, Daddy, di kita naghihiling digdi sa side na.
Di mabalik bang baga kita?
Okay, I saw, may nahiling na ako.
Pagbalik, babalik tayo.
Oh, come here.
What's that?
Come here.
Oh, wow.
What do you see? A birthday
A
hat.
birthday hat?
Stay hot for a party.
Oh, sige.
Daddy, alam niya.
Mark mo.
Good job.
Mama,
Oh my God, it
we
depends.
need to find a candy.
Okay, ano ni Kimoso. Daddy, in fairness, ang daming bagong bukas na
Oh, bagong bukas dito ah. Kimoso.
Papasok ko dito mamaya. Okay, let's find a candy.
Ano pa? Ilan pa? Bibi, marami pa?
Oh, bibi.
Oh, yan. Yan. What is this?
What's that? Bibi!
This one.
Uy, this
Isabel.
one. Uy,
This one.
what's that? Look, it's a graveyard.
For monsters?
Yeah.
Why for monsters?
Because they're, dead.
Naka-ano na oh. Naka-dami na rin si Isabel.
Fairness, Daddy.
No.
Because they were naughty.
May mga nahiling pa nga ako.
Dahil nahanap ko na.
Iyo man nahiling ko. Nakita ko na yung kindi ni Isabel nandun sa kabila. Oh.
Oh, bibi, what's this?
Meow, 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 meow.
Daming bagong bukas. Oh, you sign it.
Kat, bibi na na.
At dali.
Cross out mo na.
Scared sa cat.
Scared sa cat?
Oh, cross out ko na si cat.
Eyes are green.
Green. Takot siya sa ice.
So scary.
So scary. Oh, di cross out mo na si
Cross
Kat.
out ko na si cat para pa ako ng scary. More. Sige. Okay, let's go.
Scavenger hunt, yes.
Good. Are you finding them all? You need to find the candy.
We saw it, but
She's the leader right now.
Yeah.
We're just
Oh,
following
you
her.
know what? You'll find it.
Oh, yeah.
for sure.
Have a good day.
That's so great that they're doing this stuff.
Yes.
You know what?
Like
If you keep
every
going
year.
just around like this, you'll help it out.
Okay, where is this?
Oh, then cross out mo.
Cross it out. Tibay na ano?
Galing na. Last year hindi pa. Bye-bye daw. Pati dito sa may food court. Ah, potion! Oh, may potion nga.
From the restaurant.
Nilulumay ang mga ano, ang mga parakakan.
Ay, pwede sa dikit ako yung tao.
Ayan, oh. Bye, potion! It's okay. Ano pang kulang, bibi?
Let's try
Show it to them. Ha?
Let's try the
Marami pa. Marami pa.
flying bat.
Flying bat daw. Let's see kung nasaan dyan.
Let's find a flying bat.
Dito nakabili si Helen nung ano? Nung Dubai chocolate. Saan yun? Saan yun? Saang store yun?
Mamaya ko na. Dito ba yun?
Is that included?
No, I don't think so. No.
No.
Okay.
Dito ata.
Maybe here.
Oo, dito ata.
Let's go inside later.
Yeah.
Pasok tayo?
Mamaya.
O, ganyan na.
Lightsaber.
Dito ba yun? Nabili ni ano, Helen yung Dubai chocolate?
Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Is that the ice cream?
Ice cream.
Oo, dapat tignan
Ano yun?
natin.
Foothill?
Mama, I want ice cream.
Mini chocolates.
Different flavors of
Oh, they,
chocolate.
Right?
that's a lot.
Yeah.
64 chocolates.
And different, so you get different flavors. Huh?
How much is this?
$18.
18.
But not too bad. Like you have a lot of options. You want ice cream later?
Ice cream. Nakakita kasi ng ice cream.
Na-mention ko kasi. I think that is a...
May nakita na. May nakita na. Crips. Yummy! Oh, cross out mo na.
Of course, ako na ang candy.
Candy. Candy.
This one?
Candy.
Candy.
That
So, bat na
one.
lang dati tapos.
Nasaan daw yun? Nasaan kaya yun?
Bat and
O,
house.
balik na tayo sa Christmas.
Dito sa balo. Bat, house, cupcake.
Mhm.
Tatlo na lang, no? Ah, tapos yung broom.
Hindi pa nadaanan ng bro. Ilan na lang? Tatlo?
Apat pa.
Apat pa?
5.
Nasaan yan? May nalampasan si Isabel. What's that, Bell? Cupcake.
Bahay, bat, tsaka broom na lang.
Asa kaya yung iba? Ano yan? Oh, Isabel. Ha? Ay, naku. Gusto na just happy riders.
Which one do you like?
Cupcake is also fast, but it's charging curve.
Oh, this
Sparkle?
one? Okay, this one. Okay, wait.
Unicorn.
Wait, wait.
Let's go, Belle. Come here. Wait for your turn, baby.
I want to ride with my own.
No,
No, you
can't.
can't.
Because you're too small pa. Papa will ride with this turn.
So, ang ginawa namin, tamad na maglakad. Nag-arkila na nito. Madaya si Isabel. Para hanapin yung iba. Ano ba, baby? Broom. Ano?
We need a haunted house.
Broom and
Haunted house.
haunted house. Yan na lang. Ito na lang. Bat pa, bat. Asan ang bat?
I need a haunted house.
Hanapon ta sa haunted house mo kung hasain yan.
This is sparkle. We found a broom.
Kaya naman pala mahirap eh. Yung broom. Ayun, baby, yung broom. Ayun no, nandito sa may kainan. Sa may pretzels. Yan o, broom.
Broom.
Oo.
Select the broom. We need to
Select the broom.
color the
Yan o.
Papa, we need to find a haunted house.
Haunted house pa no?
Yes. We need haunted house. Haunted house.
Sige. Haunted house pa daw. Hiling papabat. Let's go. Let's
We
go.
found the bed.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, no?
found the bat.
The bat is right there, oh. Right there.
Color the bat.
Color the bat. Dali.
With the spiders. Papa, let's find a haunted house.
Huh?
We need to find a haunted house.
It's right there. It's a bat, oh.
Papa,
It's good na?
let's find a haunted house. Let's find a haunted house.
Nice. So what more? Tricky kasi nasa loob ng store. Ano pa?
Let's find a haunted house.
Haunted ano pa? One. There's two more, right? This one. This is the candy eye, and this the haunted house.
Yes, let's find a candy first.
May isang ano na lang si hinahanap si Isabel yung candy eye. Hindi namin mahanap.
Yung horse ice.
Annabel. Yes. Yung house nakita ni Joanna. Abel, oh. Isabel. This one. Kanan dyan kung saan. Nandito sa loob ng laruan yung ano, haunted house. This one.
Alam na pati din sa gito.
Yung haunted house. One na lang. Hindi talaga namin mahanap yung candy eye, yung lollipop na eye. Na, baby? It's tricky to find. Belay. Oh, broom broom. Ano, wala? Hindi makita? Oh, Canada Goose pala niya, no? Hindi makita?
Okay, come on, let's go get your candy.
Hindi mahanap yung isa.
Yes, we're done. Come on.
Kulang.
You want to go inside?
Ano yan? Star Wars. Alam ko Star Wars. Ewok. Ayos ah. Oh, baby. Isabel, give it to her.
Mama, I wanna choose a color.
No, I'm gonna write your name, my love.
I want yellow.
Okay. No, I need to write your name, my
Yellow
love.
is my favorite color.
Yellow is your favorite color. Stickers. Mga ano to? Mga anime figures, no? Ayan, kung ano-ano din dito sa Crazy Mania. What, baby? Ano po? Peppa Pig? Oh.
Isabel, come here. Isabel, you
Choose.
have to choose. And you say thank you, okay?
Choose na.
Just choose one, please. This is like full of treasures.
No, don't worry about it.
You like that?
Oh, the glow sticks.
The glow stick? Oh, now, she cracked it already. Maybe it's not yet dark. And where do we put this?
You can keep it, or I can
Oh, keep it na.
We'll keep it.
Okay.
Thank you. Say thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Some of them are really difficult to find.
I know. Some people said they've had to go
Yeah.
twice to find them.
We did it twice.
That's good.
Thank you for the experience. Okay, after all that, she chose the glow stick.
Oh, let's go.
I wanna ask them where they found that.
Subukan namin ulit dito. Are you not scared? It's only movie, anak. It's nothing in there. Here. Oh. Yeah. I think she's ready.
I'm ready. Okay.
It's inside. Fun house. Wow. Wow, there's a forest. This is the forest, Isabel. Yeah.
This is the forest.
Dito to sa Lawson Heights Mall. Libre lang.
It's not glowing this way.
Oh, it's glowing. Mimi, oh, look, can you see it? Oh, it's glowing na. It's a forest. Oh, wow.
The glow stick will help me.
Huh?
Glow stick will
Yeah, it helps you. It's glow in the dark, ano? Huh? What is this? Wow.
Be quiet.
That's exit. Ikaw pa dyan? Bako na yan, exit na garo yan.
Papa, the bunnies are sleeping.
What's that?
Tama ka ni Weirdo man yung nalaugan ka. Can you see it, Isabel?
Yes.
There's a fireplace inside.
It's a fireplace. Siguro i-open na yan pag ano na.
Siguro dadagdagan pa rin.
Dadagdagan pa. What's that? A robot?
Papa,
Robot! Zector. It's Zector. Oh. Yan ba si Zector na yan?
I'm
Yan lang. Palabas na. Exit na. Yan lang. Sabi naman ng babae, di ba? Paikot lang. Kanina.
Ah, dili oh.
Baba na, baba. Awi, awi. Yeah. Oh, yan. Oh, si Zector, oh.
It's about the robot anak. It's not scary. Awesome.
Oh, let's go na. Let's go. Outside. Oh, si Zector, oh. Yan na. Kala mo kung ano nasa loob lang, yun naman lang naman. Oh, let's go.
Oh, take a photo with Isabel, Daddy. Oh, stay there. Stay there. I'll take a photo.
Picture ka, picture. Come here.
There.
So, yun lang ang scavenger hunt ni Isabel dito sa Lawson Heights Mall.
Happy siya.
Oh, happy, syempre. Mahirap pa natin yung iba, no?
Yeah.
Well,
Nakailang ikot din tayo.
oo, nakailang ikot din kami, no?
In fairness, I liked it kasi no enough na anak, mago
Mas
na
ano,
talagang si Mama.
mas
I liked it kasi
mas-
gumana yung utak niya.
last
Tapos,
year mas marami.
independent na pati.
Last year mas marami yung nag-scavenger hunt. Tapos mga naka-costume pa, no?
Yung mga nakakostume din yun.
So, ang sunod namin dadayuhin para kay Isabel ay yung Nutrien Wonder Hub. Sa Lunes ba yun? Sa Monday?
Yes, sir, I surrendered.
Trick or treats, no?
Ewan ko paano ganap, basta gabi.
Nasa website ba nila? Screenshot ko na lang yung website. Lalagay ko dyan.
Sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook, no? Ay, si Isabel. Sabi mo, ayaw mo.
Kiss Papa.
Kiss Papa.
Sa sausage.
Sausage? Sige na. You can. Sige na. You need help? Help?
Help.
Oh, mama.
Kaya pa pamaga.
Pakainin ko muna si Buliday. Napagod sa ano niya. Scavenger hunt.
Ako napagod.
Yung nanay ang napagod. Nag-rides pa yan na Bel.
Sausage ba? Sausage.
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Is it yummy? Are you hungry? Baga ano? No. Dito ako sa kabila. Dito naman si Isabel sa kabila. Naubos na namin.
Wipe your face first.
Wipe your
One
face.
more sausage.
Sausage naman. Mahulog, mahulog.
Ulo ang bago dati.
Marunong na. Mahulog basura.
Baby, wipe your face, please.